welcome to my channel. I am here with the December Birchbox. Birchbox, for those of you who don't know, is a monthly subscription service. And their pricing has changed. For $15 a month now, you get 5 sample-sized beauty products that fit your beauty profile. So you do get to tell them what your skin tone is, how adventurous a makeup artist you are, and they are supposed to be choosing the products that will best suit you. It used to be $10 a month, now it's $15 a month, or $11 a month if you pay upfront annually. So that's their new pricing structure. Let us see what is in the box. So first off, this box is unusually nice. Yeah. It is thicker than most boxes with this reflective pattern on it. And it opens on a hinge, which is also a little bit unusual. Let's see what's in there. So right inside the cover, there is a poem, I guess? A reflective thing. It looks like a... It's kind of a picture frame. You could put a picture in there. This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you you always wanted to be, the you you never thought you could be. Okay. The you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself, because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. Okay, I don't know how I feel about their poetry, if I'm honest. As we close out the year, we wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know your life is full, and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month, we get to help you find some time for you. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. Cheers to you and the year to come. Okay. On the other side of that little love note to subscribers is a list of all the things in the box, which I'm trying not to look at too hard. There's a little bit of tissue paper, and then the products. There's a card for 25% off on Birchbox for spending money. And let's see what I'm gonna pull out here. The first thing that I see in the box is a Phase Zero Cotton Candy Blusher. Let's see what the inner packaging looks like. Get out. Okay. It's a little compact. This is the color. Let's do like a quick... normalize. I don't know that it shows on camera. That's very subtle. It's a very light pink. I'm having to look for it even in person, so I'm not surprised it's not showing on camera. It's Sometimes a subtle pink is nice. Let's see what they have to say about it. Silky cotton candy pink blush blends into your cheeks for a natural looking flush. Just a touch will brighten your entire face, while more gives you a luminous glow. Am I luminous yet, Mom? Okay, let's see. The next thing I am pulling out of the box is Brio Geo Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo. Oh, no sulfates, silicons, or parabens. I mean, I do like both matcha and apples, so I wonder if it smells like apples. Enriched with apple and matcha, so it's kind of like serving fruits and vegetables in your shower. Sulfate-free shampoo is tough on oil buildup and gentle on hair. I'm just glad to get something sulfate-free for a change. A lot of the shampoos that come are not that, so that's nice. The next item that I've pulled out of the box is Falm Young Antioxidant Rejuvenating Serum. Kind of hard to read that. This gel serum's red ginseng strengthens skin's barrier, while its hyaluronic acid hydrates all day long. So 1 to 2 pumps, clean dry skin. Make sure the little capsules dissolve. You see those? There's the little suspension capsules in there. So you gotta make sure to dissolve all of those. I mean, you guys know how to use serum. Clean skin, after an essence, before a moisturizer. And the next thing is Marcel Lash Defining Expansion Mascara. Extension plus Skyline. This mascara has a very skinny brush to curl and lift your lashes while adding length and definition. So in length and definition, I wonder if it has particles to attach and make your lashes actually longer or not. I like sample sized mascaras because sample size is just the right size. Real big mascaras always dry out, get icky before you're done using them, and that's a bummer. So thank you, Birchbox. The next item is, oh my stars, praise him. It is a conditioner and not a foil pack. When I saw that shampoo, I was like, oh no, they're gonna foil pack the conditioner, aren't they? I was wrong. That's what I get for making snap judgments in my head. Brio Geo, Be Gentle, Be Kind, Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. I guess matcha is cleansing and kale is conditioning? Question mark. I'm so happy it's not a foil pack. Yeah. Know how I feel about foil pack hair care. The kale conditioner, apple, omega rich fruits and veggies, makes your hair stronger and look good, feel good. Those fruits and veggies in your body however you can, even if you're just laying them on top of you and then washing them away. Do they work that way? We have reached the last item in the Birchbox this month. It is an Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Incredibly Clear Sheet Mask with white willow, cucumber for combination to oily skin. I do not have oily skin. My skin's pretty dry, so I don't know. I don't know if this is the mask for me. I feel like sheet masks can never really be bad, can they? This one is formulated with acne-busting salicylic acid. It's charcoal-infused fiber sheet mask unclogs pores for clearer skin. It's a 15-minute sheet mask. Yeah, that sounds great. I think that'd be fine. It doesn't say all that on here. I guess that's why we got a little card with it. They're good for something. That is everything in this month's Birchbox. What was your favorite item this month? Do you think the boxes are still worth it at $15 a month? It's a good question. Let me know what you think. My favorite thing is probably this serum. I tend to like products with hyaluronic acid in them. They work very well on my skin. They probably work very well on everyone's skin. That's why people use them all the time. Yeah, I'm into this little serum with its little micro beads that you have to dissolve. I mean, honestly, I'm kind of just here for the box. Not gonna lie, can my favorite thing this month just be the box it all came in? Am I literally just like a toddler on Christmas Day? I just want to play with the box. Thanks for the gifts, Mom and Dad. Just give me the box. Box. I don't know. Maybe I am a toddler. Maybe you like the box too. If you do, let me know so I'll feel better about myself. Thank you for opening my box with me. I really enjoyed this time, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye. For more adventures of a girl in her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our lives around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Birchbox down at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching!